will grind my gears.
Hello?
Hello, Thomas. What are you doing?
I'm picking up some cargo.
Hey, Thomas, let's get this cargo loaded. Hello, Thomas.
What are you doing?
Getting the cargo loaded.
Times are wrong.
See you later, Thomas.
Sky 5!
Oh, hi.
Hi, friends. Where are you going?
Turning around to get that cargo. Thomas, you're late.
Hello, Cranky. I have a delivery.
I'll take it from here. Going up.
Hi.
Good one.
Hi, Troublesome Trump.
Well, scoot your caboose. Hi, friends.
Hello.
Will grind my gears. Hello, where are you going?